What is up, you guys? Welcome back. So today I've got another haul for you guys. I did another shop at Aritzia this past month because their sale is still going on. Things are on even deeper markdown than they were before. And I had my eye on quite a few other pieces for summer. I wanted to kind of go a little bit more playful, maybe get a little color in there and just pick up some of the pieces I've had my eye on for quite a bit. So I decided to pick them up, and I'm just going to share with you what I got. I will do my best to link all the items for you down below. And if you like this video and want to see more hauls and videos like this, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get into it. So the first thing I decided to pick up in this haul is this white V-neck spaghetti strap bodysuit from Wilfred Free. It's the Wilfred Free Emily bodysuit. And I decided to pick it up just because I thought it would be a perfect piece for summertime. I think bodysuits are so flattering and so pretty on, especially when you tuck them into like a pair of jeans or like a pair of jean shorts or something like that. I think it just looks so like seamless and chic. If you throw a blazer on top, it's just like perfect for a date night. And I decided to pick this up in white because I don't really have any form-fitting white tank tops. And again, I just thought it would be perfect tucked into jeans. It's got this really cute V-neck front, and then the back is scoop neck and it goes pretty low, so it's definitely sexy. The back is a thong, and it's not, unfortunately, it doesn't have those little onesie snaps, so when you do have to pee, unfortunately, you're gonna have to get a little bit naked, but I think it's worth it not to have those seams when you're tucking things into jeans or jean shorts or anything like that. It's a thicker and sturdier material, so it definitely doesn't go see-through on you, although when I was wearing it, I think I'd feel a little bit more comfortable if I just had like nippies or nipple covers on, just to make sure that, you know, no one was seeing anything I didn't want them to see. But you could definitely go no bra in this, especially if you have smaller boobs. This was on super sale. I think it's even more on sale. I love the white color, and it's not ribbed or anything like that. It's like just like a flat material and just super flattering on. And I can't wait to rock this for the summertime. So for this summer, I'm really into the whole cropped top, spaghetti strap, super playful summertime kind of vibe, and so I decided to pick up a couple of crop tops and that type of thing in this haul. So the next thing, like just to kind of stay true to that style, the next thing I picked up from Aritzia was this Wilfred Free Kaia crop top. It's just like a super cute t-shirt crop top with like a scoop neck, and then the back is a very, very deep scooped back, and it goes up pretty high on, like, in terms of its crop. It's way past my belly button, which I'm not necessarily fully comfortable with, but lately I've really been liking like super high-waisted jeans or super high-waisted trousers that are like pleated or wide leg that kind of go past my belly button, so all you really get is this like peekaboo of skin. I bought this in a size small. I did size up just because it is pretty bodycon and I didn't want it to be too tight on me or anything like that. I did find I could comfortably wear this without a bra. It wasn't too see-through. It's pretty classic Wilfred Free material where it's almost like a heathered feeling. The material is really soft, really comfortable, really breathable. It's not super binding or anything like that, so it's just like a perfect throw-on little crop top that would really go with anything for summertime, which is why I decided to grab it. So in keeping with the theme of crop tops and spaghetti straps, I decided to pick up this ultra spaghetti strap crop top from Wilfred Free. It's the Wilfred Free Brigitte Tank. It's just this super like thin strap, kind of scoop neck and low back crop top that I just thought would look really nice with a pair of like high-waisted jeans and probably for me a leather jacket. And this is something that I would probably wear on a date night if I wanted to look a little bit edgier and a little bit cool. And I kind of felt super like Claire Marshall, Hey Claire vibes in this top, where she kind of wears these types of ultra skinny strap crop tops all the time, and it just looks awesome with like a cool pair of jeans, a cool pair of boots, and some leather. It's like a really ultra stretchy material. It feels really thick and durable, so it's not super see-through or anything like that, and it is a little bit lined, so you don't have to wear a bra with it, which is perfect. and you don't have to worry about flashing anybody because it does stay pretty tight to the body. If you want to show off a little bit of skin, this would be like a really cute, perfect crop top, and it was on super duper sale. I think it's marked down even more, almost to half price. And they had this in another like blush nude pink color too, which I really thought about picking up, but I decided to go with classic black. If you're looking for like the perfect ultra skinny strap 90s crop top, check this one out. So I'm noticing a pattern that there's like a lot of Wilfred Free going on in this portion of the haul. So this top, you guys have actually seen before. It's the Wilfred Free Shawna blouse, but I decided to pick it up in this color red just because I don't really have a lot of color in my wardrobe, and I do like red, so why not? I loved this top and I hauled it in white in my first Aritzia haul, which I'll link up here. But this is just a really basic button-up t-shirt that has this like little pocket detailing in the front, and it's a really lightweight material for summertime. You don't get too sweaty in it or anything like that, and it's really loose and sort of flowy feeling. So it's just like an easy throw-on top, and it sort of sits more cropped on the body, but a little bit looser so that it's still really breathable. And I really like to wear it like with the front tied up just to make it a little bit more cropped and cinched. And you guys really seem to like this when I wore it on my Instagram, which I'll link here. I'm just really liking the pops of color these days. I don't know, am I like stepping outside of my black, white, and neutral zone? I think red is like a safe transition, okay? It's okay. So I love a good basic and I love a good t-shirt dress, and I don't really have a lot of them. I think I have like one, and I've been searching for one in white that, for one, isn't see-through, and two, doesn't make me look like I'm a member of any cult. And I think I found that in this t-shirt dress from Wilfred Free. It's the Wilfred Free Yumi dress, and this was like half off, so it was a perfect steal, and they had tons of other colors online that are still available, so I'll be sure to link that down below. But it's just this really easy like jersey t-shirt dress that's a little bit stretchy, and it's like a thicker material, and it's definitely not see-through, so it definitely just passed the test for me there. It's like a ribbed type of material, so when I ordered it online I thought it was flat, so just keep that in mind, but it is ribbed, which actually I find helps it feel a little bit more durable and a little bit thicker, and just like you don't have to be so careful with it. It's like a cotton spandex blend, and I decided to size up to a size small in this just because I don't like my dresses to be too bodycon, and I especially hate when they're like a little too tight and you have that like belly button line going on. So I find with the size small, it still kind of hugs my body, but I feel like I still have a little bit of room to move around and have a food baby if I want to. So this is just like a super easy dress that I think would work really well if I wanted to wear it to work with like a blazer, or if I wanted to wear it out with like a leather jacket, which is totally how I plan on styling this. For me, a white dress is kind of hard to pull off, but I think I found a good one in this dress, so check it out if you're interested. So the next dress I decided to pick up is from Wilfred, and I have been eyeing it for quite a while and waiting for it to go on sale. And the reason I waited so long to pull the trigger was because it's not totally my style. It's a little bit bohemian and like really girly, but my justification was getting it in black made it a little bit more easy to style. So it's the Wilfred Effet Dress, and this is like a really bohemian, flowy, kind of peasanty, to me it's like a bohemian LA cowgirl kind of dress. It's really flowy and like really flattering on. I don't know, it's really hard to see here, so I'll do a cutaway of it on, but it's like a higher neck and it's almost like a halter top type of neckline, but it has this peekaboo keyhole back, which makes it a little bit sexier, and it has this like tiered type of detailing in the skirt, so it kind of ruffles out and just makes it really flowy and very twirl worthy. But for me, I decided to style it a little bit more edgy, so pairing it with like a pair of boots and like a leather jacket and like a feathered fedora is just how I pictured it, and you guys seem to like it on Instagram. I just thought this was really beautiful for just like a really effortless throw-on type of dress for summertime. If you need to wear it to a wedding or any event that you might have going on, this would be perfect. It's it is definitely a style, like very bohemian peasanty, but the fact that I got it in black, I think makes that a little bit more toned down if that's not really your thing. And it still looked really like elegant and effortless to me, which is, I don't know, the more I wear this dress, the more I fall in love with it. So the next thing that I picked up from Aritzia is another duplicate because I have this in black. Yes. So the next piece I picked up is a jumpsuit, and this is still on super sale, so snag it if you can. I'm going to link it below. But it's the Wilfred Brax jumpsuit. It looks like hell with me holding it in front of the camera, so I will make sure to have a cutaway of what it actually looks like on. But it's this really beautiful linen jumpsuit that has like a wraparound detailing, and like it has a crisscross. I can't do this. So it has like this wraparound detailing that crisscrosses around the waist, and it's like a super wide leg kind of cropped pant that looks really flattering on, is super duper flowy, and I've gotten so many compliments, especially on this color. This is the color Cairo. I'm not sure if Cairo is still available, but you can get it in black and this really nice like nutmeg color last time I checked online, so definitely do check it out. I sized down on this. This is a size 2. Normally I'm like a size 2 to 4 at Aritzia, but it's because the pant part of the jumpsuit goes up pretty high in the waist, like past my belly button, so it definitely hugs you at the smallest part of your waist. And you can wrap the wrap around to fully cover any of your stomach showing, but if you want, it does have like a little peekaboo effect to make it like a 2-piece kind of illusion if you like that. It's made of linen, so it's super duper flowy, really breathable, and just like, I would wear this to a wedding, I would wear this out, I'd wear this just like on a normal summer day, and I've just gotten so many compliments on it. I really love this piece. Definitely try to get your hands on it if you can. And if you can't, don't feel discouraged because this piece comes back every year and it always goes on sale. So just make sure you put it in your wish list and keep an eye on it if you happen to miss out this year. So the one sort of con that I will warn you about with this piece is that it is linen, but it wrinkles like crazy. Like I find even if it's just sitting on the hanger after I've worn it, it wrinkles so much. Like I don't know if you could see that, but it wrinkles pretty bad. So this definitely needs a steaming every time you go to wear it. But for me, that's the only downside of this piece. I invested in a steamer on Amazon Prime Day, so I did it solely for this. You'll get so many compliments otherwise on it. I've seen so many people in this jumpsuit and I love it on everybody, every shape, size, and color that they wear. It looks beautiful on everyone. Universally flattering, so definitely check this out if you can get your hands on it. Okay, so don't hate me on this one, but I am starting to look for pieces for the fall, and I did have my eye on this Wilfred sweater. It is the Wilfred Balzac sweater, and it's just like this really sheer thin knit material, and it does wear pretty sheer on the body, but it's like a super lightweight and really flowy, breathable sweater that I thought would be really cute as a transition piece from summer to fall. It's really, really soft, really, really breathable. I wouldn't dare wear it yet because we're still like in the middle of a ridiculous heat wave, but I think when the nights start getting a little bit cooler, these would look really nice just tucked into a pair of like jean shorts, or you know, as just like a really nice layering piece when you want to transition from summer to fall. So I thought this was like perfect for that. I love like this neutral cream color. I think it'll look really nice with denim or with like a leather jacket. It feels really soft, like I just want to like wrap myself in it right now. It's like a really soft material. The only thing I'm worried about is that because it's so ribbed, I feel like this could snag really easily. So this is a piece that I would kind of feel a little bit like I had to be a little bit more gentle and nicer to it. And I sized up to a medium just to get a little bit more of an oversized fit, just because that's what I prefer. So I just really like the way this fell on the body. super breathable, really flowy and lightweight, so I just thought it would be a really good piece to have in my arsenal for my summer to fall transition. So the final piece that I got, I kind of feel bad showing you guys because I know that this color isn't available online anymore, at least it wasn't when I checked last, but there's still black and this really pretty like millennial pink blush color available online, so I definitely would check it out if you're interested. But this is the Wilfred Cherrelle Jacket. And I had my eye on this color for quite some time, and I actually ordered this during the first tier of the sale, and it didn't come in time for my first Aritzia haul, which is why you're seeing it in here now. So it's this really nice, just double-breasted, oversized blazer with these like black tortoiseshell buttons, and it's lined with like a satiny material on the inside. I decided to pick this up because I just love how it's got like a boxier, more oversized fit, and this is part of the Wilfred line that has the sizing like 1, 2, 3. Size 1 is like an extra small / small, and you could almost even wear this as like a blazer dress if you really wanted to. And I just love how kind of oversized and masculine it is, and I've seen this all over Instagram, and I just love how it looked on a lot of the girls wearing it there. This is definitely a particular look, like it's not like a streamlined shape creating blazer. It's very boxy, very oversized, and very flowy, so it's definitely a particular look that you'd be going for with this blazer, but I just love how effortless it looks. So if you really like a more oversized sort of menswear fit, but you don't want to go for a actual menswear jacket because sometimes the shoulders are too big or the fit is a little bit off when you, or at least for me, when I tend to go for actual menswear. So this is like a really great option for that if you have that particular kind of masculine, more oversized look in mind. So that's it for my Aritzia haul part 2, you guys. I hope you enjoyed a lot of the pieces in there, and if you want to see how I styled them, you can check out my Instagram or you can check out my blog. I'll link it down below. If you want to see more videos like this, please consider liking and subscribing. That would mean so much to me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!